Hi, this is Paul. We're up in the Berkeley Hills at Brian's house. We've got a cantilever deck that's failing. It's got a lot of dry rot. Joists are pretty much toast. And what we want to do is take this guy down. I'm going to have to remove this stucco wall. We got about 10, 20, 25, 26, maybe 27, 28 feet. We have a current projection of probably 3, 4, maybe about 5 feet tops. And we want to come out to right about where Brian's hand is and get in line with here and the corner post of the stairs. That'd probably bring us out about 9-10 feet out, and we're going to go to a traditional post and beam structure. So we're taking a look at putting our post probably in the neighborhood of where Brian is now, if not in this railing line right here and back where that post is. And we're going to have to get a beam that spans that amount to keep this down to 2 posts, eliminate having a post in the middle of the deck, and maybe this guy can cantilever out. And let's take a look over here. We can see all the rot in the cantilever joists. These have been patched and band-aided for a while. And this height here is about maybe 3 feet, 3.5, 4 feet down. So we have to cut in, open up this decking, get a pier in here, and the same thing over there. And what else do we have? Got some existing sliders up there we're gonna have to take a look at, and there's a better picture of that stucco wall. So that's a quick view of the project. Thank you.